Hi guys. Women typically don't like to tell a guy they really like them because they want the man to chase them and work for it. Combine this with the fact that guys sometimes miss subtle signs of attraction from women, and what do? You have a scenario where two people are held back from a potentially great relationship because neither side is breaking the ice or making the first move. But if you're a perceptive man who knows what to look out for, you'll find these tiny nuances in a woman's body language that give away her attraction for you. When a woman truly has feelings for you, her body language will expose the truth every single time, despite her words or lack thereof. Why? Because 70 to 90% of all communication is nonverbal. I'm pretty sure you've heard of common signs of attraction like a prolonged eye contact or a smile back, but I want to go a layer deeper here and explore some signs that aren't really talked about enough but are dead giveaways. Number 1, she slightly parts her lips when talking to you. This subtle body language motion is a result of almost being mesmerized in a guy's presence or feeling like an internal nervousness when standing close to him. Usually, this is combined with eyes that are half drooping as she looks at you. She's listening to you speak, but almost lost in a trance. Micro expressions like these are often overlooked by the vast majority of men unless they know exactly what to look for. But this very subtle body language sign adds weight to the idea that she's probably into you. Number 2 is pointing her toes at you when standing. Let's say you see a woman standing far away. You make some eye contact and she flashes a smile or two, but you're still wondering whether it's the right time or not to actually approach her. Watch if her toes are pointing towards you. The direction her feet are pointed in subconsciously signals where her mind is focused. It's usually a very subtle sign that she's expecting you to walk up and start a conversation with her, to approach her. And she's presenting an open body language to make that approach easier for you. Number 3, she watches for your reaction after telling a joke. When someone likes you, they typically want to get a reaction or laughter out of you because it breaks the ice and it puts you on common ground. So if you see a woman briefly look at you after she cracks a joke or she's saying something funny, she's probably searching for your validation by your laughter. This can be super subtle because it's only a momentary look that passes very quickly. But if you're aware of how and why it happens, it will register in the back of your head and it'll add to the definite list of body language signs that she's attracted to you. Number 4, she reveals her neck. A woman who likes you often tilts her head slightly, revealing her neck. It's a very vulnerable area, so by exposing it, she's showing trust and openness. It's like her saying, I'm comfortable around you. The neck reveal is a very powerful sign of attraction, but it's often so overlooked. Number 5, she mirrors you. Now, this one is classic, but it's so under the radar, it usually slips past people unnoticed. Mirroring is when someone copies certain things that you do subconsciously. For instance, if you're on a date and you lean in closer to a woman and then you notice that she leans in closer as well, that's mirroring. Or if you have a certain keyword that you like to say a lot and then you start noticing that she starts using that same word, that's mirroring. When a woman is interested in a man, she usually mirrors his actions to create a stronger connection and a deeper bond with him. If a woman is mirroring your body language or your speech patterns or etc., it's a strong sign of attraction. It shows that she's subconsciously trying to align herself with you, to build rapport and to make you feel more comfortable around her. Number 6 is frequent nodding. If she's nodding more frequently while you're talking, she's showing that she's genuinely interested in what you're saying and she respects your views. But watch for the quality and the speed of her nods. Quick, forceful nods usually mean that she's impatient and she's just trying to be nice by listening to you. But slow, prolonged nods suggest that she's genuinely interested and wants you to keep going. Also, pay attention to her eye contact. If she maintains eye contact while nodding, that's a very strong sign that she's genuinely engaged and possibly attracted to you. If her nods are accompanied by a smile or a or really, that's even better. It's her subtle way of telling you that she enjoys your conversation and wants more of it. Body language signs are about patterns, not isolated incidents. If her nods are frequent and accompanied by other signs of attraction, you're onto something. So guys, next time you're in a conversation with a woman, be observant. Notice the subtle yet very loud nonverbal clues that she's throwing at you. They'll tell you everything you need to know without needing any words at all. So till the next video.